Have you ever wondered why some of the biggest footwear brands such as Nike, Puma, Adidas, Decathlon, and Converse have chosen Vietnam as their manufacturing hub? In this video, we will be uncovering the reasons behind their decision and explore the impressive advantages that Vietnam offers. By the end of this video, you will discover the opportunity of Vietnam footwear and leather products, all the disclaimer and things that you must be aware before starting producing in Vietnam, as well as a step-by-step procedure that you have to follow to start manufacturing footwear products in Vietnam. Let's get into it. Welcome to this new video. Guillaume here from Move to Asia. We are a sourcing company helping foreign buyers to find reliable sources in Vietnam. Did you know that in 2022, Vietnam exported 22 billion worth of footwear goods from Vietnam? So actually, from favorable business conditions and cost effectiveness to abundant raw materials and a skilled workforce, Vietnam has become a top destination for footwear products. From everyday sneakers to formal dress shoes, comfortable sandals to study books and everything in between, Vietnam covers the full spectrum. The country's expertise also extends to specialized footwear such as sport shoes for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, durable hiking boots for outdoor adventure, safety shoes for industrial workers, and cute children shoes. Vietnam's manufacturers have mastered the art of producing these different footwear products to meet with specific needs and fit with international standards. So before we get into the step-by-step plan that you have to follow to find reliable manufacturers for footwear products, let me give you some of the reasons why Vietnam has been one of the top leaders in the footwear industry beside China. First, Vietnam offers a significant advantage when it comes to cost effectiveness. The country provides competitive production costs, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to make the most of their manufacturing budget without compromising on the quality. Another key factor that sets Vietnam apart is its abundant pool of skilled workers. Vietnamese workers are highly trained, dedicated, and have a deep understanding on the ins and outs of the manufacturing footwear and leather products. The expertise ensures the production of high-quality goods that meet with international standards. Vietnam manufacturing facilities are equipped with modern machinery and technology, allowing for efficient and precise production processes. This combination of skill, labor, advanced equipment, and access to high-quality raw material enables manufacturers in Vietnam to deliver exceptional products that meet the demands of international markets. As you may have understood, Vietnam is not only about cheap flip-flop, low-end sandal and sneakers, it's also about leather products. Even if leather goods are a niche market, Vietnam can be recognized from the beautiful leather products such as high customized bags, sophisticated wallets, elegant belts, and stylish accessories. One of Vietnam's strengths lies to its access to premium leather materials. Manufacturers have a range of high-quality hides at their disposal, including full-grain leather and exotic ones. Additionally, Vietnam benefits from a local cattle industry, providing a reliable local supply from cattle farms in the regions of Dong Nai, Binh Nhung, and Long An. In addition to its domestic resources, Vietnam has established a strong trade partnership with several countries such as China, Bangladesh, and Thailand, known for their high supplies of leather material. So as you understood, leather products are still a niche in Vietnam, but that's the promising one, just because you will find a lot of small-scale, family-owned businesses and small sewing and leather company that can manufacture high quality and customized leather goods from Vietnam. Now let's talk about the other type of footwear products that can be done in Vietnam. Vietnam can produce high performance sport shoes, durable hiking boots, protective safety footwear, and comfortable children shoes. Manufacturers in the country possess the expertise to create high performance sport shoes that are designed with advanced technology, innovative materials, and thoughtful craftsmanship to enhance performance and provide high quality standards. With a strong presence in the footwear industry, Vietnam has become a key production center for high performance athletic footwear brands, and manufacturers like Nike, Puma, and Adidas leverage Vietnam's expertise to create sport shoes that meet the demands of professional athletes and active individuals worldwide. So now I assume you have an understanding about which type of footwear products can be done in Vietnam. Let's go to a step-by-step plan that you have to follow to start manufacturing footwear products in Vietnam. First, just know that the footwear industry in Vietnam is quite big with a lot of different players, so you can send inquiries around and you will mostly get answers and then quotations. First, what you have to do is find the reliable manufacturers that will be fitting with your specifications and MOQ. So start contacting those suppliers around and then tell them what are your specs and what is your MOQ. After, you can negotiate the terms and payment conditions one by one. After that, you will be finalizing all the details for sampling, so you can oversee samples of your product. As soon as the sample fits with your requirements, you can start launching the production from Vietnam. You may have to do a down payment from 30 to 50% and then a final payment when your goods are shipped to your home country. It's important to know that most of the footwear manufacturers will request you to send them your spec and design. Some of them may have in-house designer assistants so they can help you to design and draft your first product idea. So now you are having the big picture about how to start manufacturing footwear products from Vietnam, but you may not know how to get started. Then, to find the right supplier and factory in Vietnam, there are different options that you can consider. First, you can go online. There are a lot of platforms that can provide you first hints so you can start to understand the market, the different players, and get a first insight about this industry. The first platform that you may know, it's Alibaba, and you have the competitive one that is Global Sources. Those two platforms are similar marketplaces where you can directly place order with shoes manufacturers. You can filter the Vietnamese market, you can narrow down all the different manufacturers that are located in Vietnam and can manufacture shoes products. The second option that you are having is to fly in person to Vietnam to attend one of the popular trade shows that are happening across the country. Today, I'm visiting the Footwear and Leather Expo here in Ho Chi Minh City, and this type of fair will directly open you a network of potential suppliers and manufacturers directly in Vietnam. You can meet with new potential factories, discuss in one-on-one, and then also get directly their catalog. The third option that you are also having is to connect with sourcing companies such as Move to Asia. We can help you by getting your spec, sending out there to potential manufacturer. Make sure that they can meet with your requirements, standards, and MOQ, and then we can introduce you so you can start straight to the point your manufacturing journey in Vietnam. Now that you know how to start manufacturing your footwear products in Vietnam, let me give you some disclaimer and things that you must know before starting. The first matter that may happen is about the MOQ. So your order quantity have to match with the manufacturer scale. When it comes to manufacturing shoes in Vietnam, the minimum order quantity can vary depending on the supplier. You have to understand that MOQ is a significant concern, especially when working with reliable manufacturers who often partner with big brands. Typically, supplier may ask for an initial order of 500 to 5,000 pieces per design or color. For larger manufacturers, the MOQ could start at 10,000 pieces or even more. Despite the high quantity, the price per pair remains lower than in China, offering a great profit margin for investors who can handle such quantities. The second matter that may come, it's about the quality. Obviously, because the high range of footwear products and the full spectrum that you find in Vietnam, the quality is something that you may pay a lot of consideration. You have from very low-end sandals to high-end and premium leather products with a lot of craftsmanship. So on the quality side of things, you have to do your own due diligence, get sampling, and make sure that the manufacturer, when they are producing a few quantity, and then when they will scale the production to hundreds or thousands of products, you still meet the quality that you are expecting. So if you are still on the video, you may want to manufacture and produce your shoes in Vietnam, and you are at the right place. You can check below in the description and you will get our direct contact. You can send us your inquiry, which type of footwear product you wanna manufacture in Vietnam, what is your MOQ, as well as the country you wish to import. We can help you from A to Z, understanding the market, getting a list of reliable manufacturers that can fit with your specification, standard, and MOQ, help you to do due diligence and on the process from sampling to exporting. If you have any question, any matters you wanna discuss, also check in the comment section. You can drop us your question and we can answer them fast. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Down and I'ma get it right, get on sight like